This right here is my 2019 KTM 150 SX. Over the past couple years, I've put about 100 hours on it, and I gotta say, I think I have a love-hate relationship with this bike. The graphics are done by Rivalink to make it look more like a 2006 model. I got the new Electron Pro 38mm carb on there. I got a tall guts seat. I got an FMF exhaust system. I have Evo suspension. I have a bunch of little bling orange parts all over the bike just to make it look, I don't know, look better, look cool. Foot pegs, I got Turner black foot pegs. I think those are motosport.com's brand. They're pretty cheap and they've held up really good. I used to have V-Force 4R reeds, but I kept blowing holes in them, so I've just been using the stock reeds, twin air filter. Other than that, stock bike. Holy shit, that was the farthest I've ever sent that. Didn't necessarily do it on purpose either. Whoa! That jump's too small. That corner's fun on the two-stroke, baby. Alright, it took me a couple laps to get used to this thing again. Man, this thing can be so much fun once you get the hang of it. It's just jumping back and forth from a 4-stroke to a 2-stroke can be sort of difficult, especially switching between Yamaha and KTM. They feel so different. This guy's on an old CR 125. Dude, I feel like I'm ripping on this thing. Feel slightly out of control. I always feel just a little out of control in the two-stroke. I feel like that's part of riding it. Whoa! Guy in front of me is on the new fuel injected Husky 125. That thing's sick. I think it's a 125. Thing sounds good. I guess it could be a 150, but my guess is it's a 125. Sounds so good. He just tossed a huge whip off that. That was sick. He's going around that jump. See, those are the situations where I wish I had the torque of my 250F. As soon as I get a little bit lazy and I'm not shifting as much as I should on this thing, can't keep up with a 450 out of a corner. Swear I'm trying to keep up, guys. This guy is ripping. I keep missing my shifts. I gotta say though, the suspension on this thing is nowhere near as good as my Yamaha. I feel every little bump in my hands. This KYB on the Yamahas is so comfortable. I had Evo Industries revalve the suspension on this, and it definitely made it better. But the air fork in this, honestly, just doesn't compare. Fucking fingers, bro. Ah. Damn, you can launch that shit. Gotta be careful, it's slippery. Gotta really use those banked corners. Get high up on them so they don't slide. We got Jamal on a Honda CRF 450 and Andres on a CRF 250. Just met these two guys here today. You gotta stay so close to people so you're not eating too much dust. I'm so surprised they're not hitting this. lot of people don't hit that jump, and I'm not exactly sure why, but I know these guys have the skill to do it. Especially because they're hitting all the rest of them. I think Andre said he's only been riding for like a year, maybe less than a year. He's riding really good. For only riding a year, that's awesome.